Look at example number 1. Divide the line AB equal to 80 mm into 6 equal parts. What do? The first thing you do, you draw a horizontal line. You draw a horizontal line, for instance. Your T-square is there. You draw your horizontal line. Fine. On your left hand side, as I used to tell you, let's say here, you get your A. You take your compass and you measure your 80. Let us assume this is your 80. Put it at A and you cut. And that gives you your B, which is 80. Fine. Now, just as we did when we were constructing enlargement earlier, you go to A and draw a line at any convenient angle. Let us assume the line is like this. Call it AC. So, it is this AC you are now going to divide into 6, like this. Choose a smaller radius. Choose a smaller radius. Fine. Choose a smaller radius. Let me choose this radius, for instance. Put it at A and move. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, and somewhere here 6. Let me produce this one this way. That gives me number 6. We label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What's the next thing you do? You join number 6 to B. Number 6 to B, like this. Are you seeing me? Number 6 to B. You see that step? Now, when you are through with that, at these intervals, 1, 2, 3, 4, you go to number 5. You know, this line now, make sure it is parallel. Be very careful here. Make sure it is not like this or like this. No. Measure it. You see that? Shift it to 5. Watch it very well. You rule. Faint lines. Take it to number 4. You rule. Take it to number 3. You go. Number 2. At these regular intervals, take it there. Number 1. You go. Fine. The line AB has been divided into 6 equal parts. You get that? That's how to divide a line into equal parts. But if you look at number 2, it is slightly different from what we've just done now. The question there says, divide the line AB 70 mm into the ratio of 2, 4, and 3. How do you do that? This one is quite technical, different from the first one. What you do is, before you start, you say 2 plus 4 plus 3. That gives you what? This is 6 plus 3, that's 9. When you get that, you take your T-square, rule your line as usual. Rule the line from left to right, please. Cut a mark there, call it A. You get your compass, you measure your 70 mm. On your ruler, I always assume, take note, this is my 70, put it at A, and you cut. That place you cut is your B, 70. You don't have to be repeating mm all through. Now, like I said earlier also, you go to A again, get any convenient angle, don't worry, just rule. Rule as long as you like it. Call that place C. Now from your addition, you will notice you had 9. So you divide this AC into 9. Choose a smaller radius. Let me take this for instance. You put your needle at A, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Can you do that? Fine. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. When you are through with that, you join where to where now? You take 9 to B, the last number. Take it to B, like this. Fine. Now watch. The ratio said 2, 4, 3. It's always nice to start from this part of the question. Take your 3 first. Take this as 0. So this is 1, 2, 3. Am I correct? Okay, let's start from the A part. Let's say 2. This is 0, 1, 2. At this point 2, what do? You draw a parallel line. This is a parallel line. Shift your hand until you get to number 2. Be careful, watch it, and you rule. 2. That's it. Now, the next one is what? 4. Some students will come to number 4 and rule. No. What they mean? From this 2, takes 2 as 0. You take 2 as what? 0. This is now 0. You want to count a fresh 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get that? At that point, here you have your 6. This is fine. Parallel number 6. That's it. You know the what? You rule. Fine. You now take the next one is what? 3. Take here again as 0. What do? 1, 2, 3. That's it. So you now come up here, indicate with a line, up, up, and up. From here to here gives you what? 1, 2. Here give us 4. Here 3. And you've divided this line into the ratio of what? 2, 4, and 3. Very simple. Don't you think so? Can you do it? Fine. Now let me give you an assignment. Divide the line AB for me. AB equal to 90 mm into the ratio of, let's say, 4:6:2. When you are through with it, take it to school, show it to your basic technology teacher that you did this through your media teacher, and see what it gives to you. Make sure you follow the principles here. You'll be happy you did. I'll be waiting for you in our next lesson. That's the B part of miscellaneous construction.